Okay, this is going to be a close-up of the one that has the purples, pinks, and greens for Color Song 6. And the full version of it, I'm going to try to get you as much of it as I can, but I'm going to show you close-up of it because when I'm painting sometimes with that gray, it's over other colors and it kind of looks like it's seeing through glass a little bit is what I've been told it looks like. So sorry about the shadow with the phone, but you're going to see some images underneath that light gray that looks like it's over some other images. It may not be as easy to see on this video as it is up close, but when you really see some of the colors underneath that light gray, it just brings out more depth. So I'm going to go slow, let you just kind of have a sneak peek into the many layers that this painting has. Has some drips. I'd made some cross marks, as you can tell, on some of it. And then right in there you see some of them. And then that gray, light gray painted over it kind of covers up some of them. I apologize for the shadow with the phone. I'm not sure how else to do this. Anyway, you're just getting a glimpse of the close-ups of some of this painting, which really has some vibrant values and some softer values. So if you like purples, pinks, and greens, this is a painting for you. And I signed right here in just a softer version of that pinkish purpley mix that I mixed together. And then again, I'll try to come out here further so you can see the whole thing a little bit. And this is a 24 by 30. Color Song number 6. And I've got to paint the sides and get it wired and varnished and everything. So there you go.